Welcome back to the channel. Today we explore a vision of mobility that blends Audi's signature luxury with the freedom of life on the road. The upcoming Audi Motorhome concept isn't just another RV. It's a complete reimagining of what travel can be when advanced technology, sustainable engineering, and premium design come together under one roof. Audi has always been known for its precision, refinement, and progressive ideas, and now those qualities extend to a vehicle designed to be both a home and a companion for the modern traveler. At first glance, the exterior commands attention. Finished in Audi's signature metallic tones with smooth, aerodynamic surfaces, the motorhome is sleek yet imposing. The front end carries Audi's futuristic digital grille, outlined with a glowing light signature that changes with drive modes. Ultra-slim laser LED headlights stretch across the fascia like sharp eyes, while the large windshield wraps seamlessly into the roofline, offering panoramic views. Along the sides, the flush-mounted door handles, clean character lines, and oversized aero wheels emphasize efficiency and elegance. When parked, electronically retractable steps extend to welcome you inside. The rear is unmistakably Audi, with a continuous OLED light bar forming a single glowing ribbon, ensuring this motorhome stands out even at night. Step inside and the atmosphere shifts instantly into a lounge of calm sophistication. Audi's designers have crafted an interior inspired by boutique hotels and private jets. Rich Napa leather, sustainable wood veneers, and microfiber accents combine with warm ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. A wide sliding entrance door reveals an open-plan lounge with swivel captain chairs, a plush sofa, and a collapsible central table that doubles as both a dining area and a work desk. The soundproofing is so refined that the outside world disappears the moment the doors close, leaving you in your own private sanctuary. The cockpit is unmistakably Audi. A wide OLED digital dashboard sweeps across the driver's view, integrating navigation, energy monitoring, and entertainment. Voice, gesture, and haptic touch controls keep everything intuitive, while an augmented reality heads-up display projects directions and alerts onto the windshield. When the motorhome switches into autonomous driving, the steering wheel retracts, and the driver's seat transforms into part of the lounge, turning the entire front cabin into a communal space. Audi's AI assistant personalizes every detail, from route planning to adjusting lighting and climate preferences. The kitchen demonstrates Audi's knack for intelligent efficiency. Compact yet stylish, it features induction cooktops, a smart refrigerator, and retractable counters for extra prep space. Every appliance is integrated into Audi's smart system, meaning you can control temperatures, cooking times, or even start preheating with simple voice commands. Soft close storage units maximize capacity without clutter, and energy-efficient design ensures long journeys remain sustainable. Moving toward the rear, the bedroom feels more like a luxury hotel suite than a motorhome. A queen-size memory foam bed sits beneath a panoramic skylight with electrochromic glass that shifts from clear to opaque at the touch of a button. The ambient lighting system adapts to your sleep cycle, simulating sunset for winding down and sunrise to gently wake you. Audi has even included a wellness system with air purification and scent diffusion, creating an environment that feels restorative wherever you travel. The bathroom continues the theme of understated luxury. Despite its compact size, it features a rainfall shower, stone-textured walls, heated flooring, and premium chrome fixtures. Audi's engineers have integrated smart water-saving systems to minimize waste, while maintaining the comfort of a five-star spa. Heated mirrors and clever storage keep the space practical and elegant. Functionality is built into every corner. Hidden compartments beneath the bed, overhead storage with touch release panels, and an external rear storage bay ensure that every piece of gear has its place. The rear boot is spacious enough for bicycles, compact scooters, or camping essentials, all secured with automated locking systems. Even the roof plays a role, equipped with solar panels to extend battery life and support off-grid living. Safety, as always with Audi, remains a top priority. Multiple airbags are integrated throughout the cabin, while advanced sensors, LiDAR, and radar systems support autonomous driving and parking assistance. 360-degree cameras provide complete visibility, and Audi's predictive safety tech helps prevent collisions by anticipating risks before they occur. Structural reinforcements ensure stability, and battery cutoff systems are designed to protect passengers in case of emergencies. Audi has also hidden some delightful surprises within the motorhome. A retractable stargazing screen projects constellations across the panoramic sunroof, complete with guided explanations for astronomy lovers. The lounge transforms into additional sleeping pods at the push of a button, accommodating extra guests. Outside, motorized awnings extend to create shaded terraces with built-in lighting and speakers, perfect for outdoor dining or relaxing under the night sky. Even the sound system, crafted by Bang & Olufsen, adapts to either indoor cinema-quality audio or outdoor entertainment mode. The Audi Motorhome is more than a vehicle. It's a complete lifestyle statement, combining performance, sustainability, comfort, and innovation in one rolling masterpiece. For families, adventurers, or digital nomads, it promises freedom without compromise, redefining the meaning of home on the move. Audi's four rings have always symbolized progress through technology, and this motorhome carries that promise onto the open road, making every journey as memorable as the destination.